what's up there, fellow rock stars? This is Ben Littlefield, Rockstar Ben, coming at you on behalf of our man, our friend, Dr. Dan. And I want to ask you a couple quick questions, really important. First off, are you ready to build quality? I'm not talking piece of crap rinky-dink. I'm talking quality call to action sites in 5 minutes flat. I also want to ask you, are you wanting to boost your lead generation, affiliate, or even your Rockstar landlording sites and be able to just put them out and do amazing work with stupid, simple ease? And seriously, are you tired like we are of the ridiculous site builders and themes that take hours just to initially set up? Because we are sick of it, and I'm going to tell you right now, if you are also looking to integrate a very specific call to action, which is very important, like the pros, like the rock stars, if you want to do that in 5 minutes flat, I can tell you right now, all these problems have absolutely been solved. I'm introducing, along with Dr. Dan and our amazing rockstar friend Lena T, the RockStar Action Theme. And it makes this super simple to build a fast and easy actionable site in 5 minutes flat. And I'm going to show you how we do that, and you're going to be absolutely blown away with how easy you can churn these amazing professional sites out, whether you're leasing them, whether you're using it for lead generation, whether you're doing affiliate offers. It has never been easier. You already know we do amazing stuff, and let me just dig right in here. I'm going to show you how to build a killer, professional, actionable site. Actionable, that's the key. That means that we are leading the traffic to taking an action, which is going to boost your conversions, which is going to make your digital assets more valuable all across the board. And we're going to show you how we do that in 5 minutes flat. You can use this amazing Rockstar Action Theme to do a standard contact call to action, or you can use it as a squeeze page. Guys, if you've looked at all the squeeze pages out there, most of them have a very complicated way of setting up, and I'm going to show you how in 5 minutes flat, without even needing to absolutely create any pages or posts or anything difficult, with just literally filling out some simple text lines, you can have it done quickly, easily. It's all built in there. This can be used as an amazing squeeze page. It easily integrates with autoresponders. It is so flexible, yet so easy to use. It's just freaking awesome. So let's move in. Let's just remind you that we are all about fast and easy. We are all about doing amazing work with less time and making more money doing it. So you can see here, these are two of our previous works, things that we still use that are still amazing. The Rockstar Lead Theme and the Rockstar Biz Theme. If you already have those, awesome. You probably already know how easy they are to use, how fast you can set this up in WordPress, and how amazing our support is because we use this stuff ourselves, because we are, again, all about fast and easy. Let me just tell you, this is easy for landlord sites, local business sites that you sell to local businesses, and even affiliate sites or lead generation sites. It's so flexible. The whole purpose here is that we're building quality professional sites that lead users to take action. And these are optimized to do all of that fast and easy, like I just said. So let me show you a couple little peeks of the Rockstar Action Theme right here. Look, this is like an example of a movie site. Okay, just really cool. We just kind of had some fun with it. But look, you've got the guy there holding the video, and you've got the call to action there. Let me show you another one here. You've got this is for a countertop appliance right here. I mean, you've got a demo right there. You've got a call to action with that big red arrow pointing to a limited offer where they can go and literally opt into a list right there, as that integrates with the major autoresponders, or it can just shoot off an email through contact. And I'm going to show you how these amazing sites can be set up in 5 minutes flat. Here's another one. I mean, just imagine the possibilities, whether it's an affiliate, a local business, or a landlording site, lead gen site, whatever it may be. Imagine having this kind of flexibility. And look, these are all the same Rockstar Action Theme, and with literally small, simple clicks of a few buttons and filling out a few text lines, these amazing sites are completely customizable. You can build 100 of these, and none of them will be identical to the last. That's how flexible this is. But what is really the magic behind it, and the magic behind why we're so successful in our business, is we do it fast and easy. 5 minutes flat, guys. I'm going to actually show you a demo. So check this out and enjoy. Okay, check it out, guys. I am here in a freshly installed WordPress site, and I'm going to show you how fast and easy this really is. All right, look, I mean, just like everything, easy as can be. You just upload the file. You simply verify the license key on it, and bam, it's installed. You know, it'll show up right here, just like this. Boom. Now, then you go over here to RockStar Options over here. Okay, this is all you have to do, guys. You don't even have to set up pages or anything. You can, it's flexible like that, but hell, you can get something up really fast. Here we go. Here's the RockStar Options here. All right. Once you click that and end up on this page, it's all laid out here for you. You can choose from a whole bunch of preloaded color schemes. You can choose a ribbon color, and I'm going to show you what the final result will look like here, but I just want to go through this. You can even customize everything, you know, with an actual color picker here on all this stuff. I mean, you keep it simple and just, you know, leave that alone and just go with the preloaded images and color schemes. But look, you have a sidebar contact image. You can choose from a generic avatar, a woman or man. You even have you can have it to where you can have a phone number showing up in the header or not. You can put in your main, like, you know, image next to the video. You put in your logo. I mean, just boom, 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 done. All right. So really, I mean, essentially, the bulk of the work of the site is done right here in these general settings. Then we come over to the form settings. That's that nice little contact form that I'll show you in a moment. But you can choose to go to an email address. You can even have that carbon copy somebody. So let's say this is a landlording site or a lead generation site. You can have one of the primary email going to you or your own business email address, and then the other one going to the client or your tenant, okay, for example, or it could be going to a business partner, whatever it may be. Put in the phone number. Then here you go. You can have a really nice headline, what you want to have on top of the form, and you can put something in each line. That's a big call to action button, guys. It's beautiful, and you're going to see. I'll fill this out in a moment and show you how quick this is. But look, you can also have the option to disable stuff. You can put in additional form field names if you want to. You can disable all this stuff if you want to. I mean, it's so flexible to do. And then you can have the text inside the submit button. So rather than just say go or just submit, you can say, you know, get your awesome offer now. You know, you can be very flexible with this. You can disable the ribbon. There's a nice ribbon that goes around the call to action area. Again, I'm going to show you all this stuff, so don't worry. Put the text that goes inside that ribbon. There's going to be an arrow there. You can disable these things. I mean, you can even put in your autoresponder code here so that if you're using, you know, Aweber, GetResponse, or Constant Contact, or whatever it may be, you enter in the HTML code right here in this field for your form, and bam, it's going to show up right there. So, I mean, you can use this as a squeeze page. All right, and then for the video graphic image, we have a whole bunch of different stock images there that you can choose to put in there. It's really cool. Then if you want to have a video in there, you could put a unique YouTube video code. You just put the video code, you know, that little code that's next to the link of youtube.com, and then bam, it's going to show up that video. You can have a headline next to it, and you can even set that video to autoplay once the page loads. As simple as that. Just like all our other stuff, man, we have amazing Google map options here too. You can disable it, you can have it in there. You just enter in your API key and maps address and a couple lines. You can customize what your listing looks like in the maps bubble. Really cool, guys, and it's just that simple to do. You just fill this stuff out. You notice we're not going and creating a bunch of pages and all this complicated stuff. And then really awesome is you have a bullet list in the sidebar. This really helps complete the whole thing. You can have, you know, as many as 10 bullets with a big list line item and then a description underneath it, and I'll show you what that looks like. It's pretty badass. Then the social networking, you can have all the, you know, the Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, Flickr, YouTube, all this. If you don't, whatever you don't fill out just won't show up, but it'll show up there. It's really cool. It just shows right there in the footer. Okay, and you can hide it if you want to. You don't have to have it there. And then we have some advanced options that I don't even usually touch, but you can have a custom title above the testimonials. You can change the footer font color. You can change different font colors on different places, like the locate as font color, and I'll show you all these things because I just want to go through this real quick. You can also do an embed of a video or image if you don't want to use the YouTube video. So we made this super easy to do, guys. Then also look here, you can customize the footer, the copyright text. You can have a Better Business Bureau icon if you want to, or hide it. You have a place right here to put analytics tracking. So if you're using Google Analytics, just bam, put it right in there. Okay, then you fill all this out, save changes, and done. And just like everything else, we make things super easy. So this is responsive. You have mobile site options. And I'm going to show you that real quick. All right, mobile site option. You can choose whether you want to make mobile active or not. You don't have to. You can choose to link to home. So they have the option of going to the classic or desktop version on their mobile device, which I think is highly recommended. People really like having that, and you can choose the link. And then you can put some custom HTML code or just regular text here to go in there. And it all just integrates perfectly just by clicking a couple things and adding a couple lines of text. Done. Now, there's another area here, testimonials, all right, which is right over here. You can add a whole group of testimonials and put images next to them, and they scroll right there through the home page. It looks very cool, very clean, very slick. You don't have to have it, you can suppress it, but that's how easy this is. I mean, you just go through the options, you go right here, and really, I'm not kidding, in 5 minutes flat, you can fill this stuff out with what you need and have a site ready to go. Choose your mobile settings, do any testimonials if you want to, and done, guys. So let me actually pause this for a moment, use the magic power of editing, and I'll probably take about 4 or 5 minutes and fill it out real quick and then show you the result. All right, here we go. Okay, so I just took, I think about 2 minutes and like 42 seconds. It wasn't that long because I just did a really quick one just to show you how easy this is and how flexible it is. I had a little fun here. We created a site here for our good friend, the amazing Lena T. So just to show you that you can create a page for yourself on this thing. Then I'll show you some more examples on specific businesses, affiliate type things. It's so flexible, anything you want. All right, so here you go. I picked a good color scheme. I kind of tweaked the colors a little bit, picked some basic colors. I mean, just playing around here. I went with the generic stuff, but I decided to hide the contact image. I'm just keep this really simple. I put a little text here. I put a nice image of Lena up there. I'm not going to use a logo because this is just a personal page for her. Email address, there you go. Phone number, all that good stuff. And then, little simple call to action here for a limited time offer. And then, right now I have it turned on, but normally I'd put an autoresponder code, just copy paste that in there. And then simply for video, we're not going to use video here. We're going to show you what it looks like without a video, and then I'll show you what it looks like with a video and a couple other examples that we've already built. But we're not going to use the bullet point list because I'll show you an example of that. All this stuff, just fill it out. I mean, less than 3 minutes in this case because I'm just keeping a nice simple page. But as you see, I just filled out some basic stuff and picked and chose what I wanted, picked and chose a color scheme, and hit save. And you want to see the final result, guys? Look at this. Boom. This is, this is like a 3-minute site, okay? Just put some basic stuff in here and then I loaded up a couple things here. But man, this is what was created in 3 minutes. I mean, you even have the whole thing done. Look, you even have a nice Google map there. Like I showed you, you can customize this whole thing here. I mean, it's that cool. So anyway, check this out. I mean, this is a page I built in less than 3 minutes, essentially, for our good friend Lena T. And there it is. But you want to see some more business-focused stuff? Let's show you. Okay, look, here's a heating and cooling company. Done in minutes, guys. Look, they've got an amazing call to action here. A special coupon where they can contact, get this special coupon. I mean, look, it's pointing, it's telling them, hey, take action. It's got a video right here. We can set that to autoplay or not. And then in this example, we even have multiple pages. Okay, so this shows you, what it looks like if you want to have more than just a home page or just a single page site. You can have as many pages as you want. And this was set up in minutes. In minutes, guys. Same thing like with the beautiful Google map here. You click that and it brings down that gorgeous map. Let me do that real quick. Bam, right there. And where you can customize this whole little pin and bubble right here. Really easy. Okay. And then they can even click on on this and get driving directions right here. I mean, it's all set up, built into the theme, and this would be great. Like this is a heating and cooling. This would be great for a local HVAC repair company where you can sell them leads, where you can just sell them this site, where you can lease them this site. Really easy, guys. 5 minutes, done. All right. I mean, look how clean and professional this is, and it leads that customer to take action, which makes this digital asset more valuable one way or another. Here's another example. This is one we kind of already showed you. This is for a product. Okay, you can do this for a product. All right, I mean, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can put a product in here and just go crazy with this. Look at this. Look how clean and easy this is. It's set up so nicely, so beautifully. Again, this is also a multi-page site, but set up in minutes because all this stuff is built in. Look, I mean, these look completely unique of each other. I mean, different color schemes, different settings. I mean, look, we don't have a video in here. We just have a nice image right there, right? And here we have a video. We have a guy holding the little video player. I mean, and all this is built in these settings. I mean, it's all just simple to just pick and choose these things in a matter of minutes. And so here's another one. Here's a LilyPad. Okay, this is another service type business. All right, it's where they can get it's a phone number type service, virtual phone number, and we just set this up really quickly. To show you what you can do with this, the power of this. It doesn't even have to be local. I mean, this could be a national presence and having a great lead generator for them. Just so easy to do. I mean, this could be an affiliate offer where you're pushing LilyPad as a service. This can be LilyPad could be paying a monthly fee or paying for the number of leads you're sending them. So simple, guys. I mean, just look at this. This is a nice, clean white background. It looks, it looks so professional. And this is essentially a squeeze page too, because you can build in your autoresponder if you want to, so that you're getting people on a list for a website you're building. I mean, in a matter of minutes. Here's that movie one again. I just had some fun with it. Put this horrible movie After Earth that did really poorly in the box office in there, by the way. But I would put that in there just to show you that you put widescreen videos in here as well. And look, I mean, just simple, easy, nice, clean. This would be like for a movie review site or something. But it's just to show you the power of this, that it's so flexible. You're not just stuck with only local businesses or only affiliate offers. I mean, you can do this for your personal stuff, like I showed you with Lena, and have your own personal page. You can do this for local businesses where you're leasing it. You can do this for products. You can do this for services, larger services or affiliate services. Where you're selling leads. You can do this for your hobbies. I mean, it's that easy and that simple to use this. So guys, have fun with this. It doesn't get any easier than this. It really doesn't get any easier than just filling this out and clicking save. 5 minutes, a badass RockStar Action site delivered. So you just saw how easy that was and how freaking awesome is that. It doesn't get any easier than that. I mean, literally in 5 minutes flat, no joke, building a nice, that's the key, a nice, amazing, professional call to action site that works in super fast time. And so that's why we built this thing for ourselves, to be able to churn out amazing quality action sites fast and easy. And we're using these for a lot of different things. It doesn't matter if we're using them to push affiliate offers or to do our own local lead generation and landlording methods, or we're even selling these straight up. I mean, you'd be amazed at how many local businesses would love to have a really cool kick-ass squeeze page that you can churn out for them. So it's so flexible, so easy to do, and you saw how fast and easy it is to use, and that is what we're all about. But guys, I mean, don't just take my word for it, all right? I mean, our fans are raving about all the themes, all the tools that we build because we do them for ourselves. I'm not going to read all these to you, but these are just a handful of raving fans that have taken what we have done for ourselves and shared with the world and taken it to an amazing high level. I mean, hell, just this last one here from Jeff here. I mean, this dude took one of our themes and built 200 plus lead generation sites, and it's growing. I mean, this is just a handful, guys. People love our stuff because we build it with our own business interest in mind, because we actually do this stuff. And these are our own special tools and themes. So the action theme is no different. I encourage you to not sit on the fence with this, because like everything we do, we try to keep it very very limited in terms of not oversaturating the market with stuff like this. We want to have more control, obviously. But the point is, get in as soon as you can. Get off the fence, grab it, because the price will absolutely go up and it will not be here forever. I encourage you to take action on this right now, because the action theme is going to make your life a lot easier, and it's going to be one of those tools that you want to have in your amazing Rockstar arsenal. So guys, the Rockstar Action Theme, it's about to just blow up the world in a good way. Do not miss out on it. Get in as soon as you possibly can. If you see a buy button here, if you see a place to go get in as soon as you possibly can. Guys, this has been Littlefield here, Rockstar Ben, reminding you to always be rocking. And on behalf of Dr. Dan and Lena T, want to tell you to continue to be a rock star in your business and in your life. Now get the Rockstar Action Theme and rock on.